Elaboration likelihood model. This model was formulated by Casiopo and Preti as a general theory of persuasion or attitude change. Now more than ever, media channels are used to persuade people to support candidates or issues, to try products, to adopt healthy practices, and to support charitable causes. The first assumption of this model is that people want to hold correct attitudes. And correct attitudes are those that have some underlying rationale. And correct attitudes are also ones that people believe will help them function in their daily lives. People want to hold correct attitudes. People's capacity to process persuasive message is limited. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि हम तमाम चाहते हैं कि हमारा बिहेवियर ठीक हो, बिहेवियर अच्छा हो. इट इज़ द nature of human being. But to make it correct, we have a limited knowledge, and particularly when we talk about the media content, our capacity to process persuasive message is limited. People pay attention to a message, learn its content, and yield to its suggestion. हम कोई भी मीडिया कंटेंट देखते हैं तो उसमें अगर कोई मैसेज है तो हम कोशिश करते हैं उसको सीखने की और उसको ऑप्ट करने की. जैसे कि मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता चलूँ कि आज से कुछ साल पहले जब डेंगू की वबा आई पाकिस्तान में, तो यहाँ पर मीडिया के थ्रू लोगों को ये कहा गया कि आप अपने घरों में साफ़ पानी ना खड़ा होने दें, और घरों के जो आपके मुख्तलिफ कूलर्स हैं या और जगह हैं जहाँ पे पानी खड़ा हो सकता है, उस पे कोशिश करें कि उस पानी को वहाँ पे ना खड़ा होने दें. तो ये लोगों को थ्रू मीडिया ही एजुकेट किया गया और लोगों ने उस चीज़ को समझा और उसको ऑप्ट भी किया. It is impossible for us to carefully scrutinize and evaluate every persuasive message that we encounter. If we did, we would get very little else done because we would be spending so much time thinking about the many messages we encounter daily. When we talk about the media content and the messages we see on the television, we come to know that we cannot scrutinize every message shared on the television, or we cannot evaluate every persuasive message that have been aired on the television. Therefore, we choose the limited messages that are more applicable to our lives. Intense analysis of persuasive messages would distract us from other more interesting and valuable aspects of our lives. If we do intense analysis of persuasive message, we will be doing a lot of hard work in order to analyze those messages, and we are spending too much time in analyzing those messages, and this will not help us in making our life more comfortable. We pay only fleeting attention to messages that aren't very relevant to us. As I told you people earlier, that we are more interested in those messages that are relevant to our lives. We do not pay attention to those messages that are not relevant to our lives. We may make up snap decisions because we haven't the time to analyze and evaluate the arguments of the messages. Whenever we encounter any message through media content, we judge it quickly and we make a snap decision. Is it useful for me or is it not useful for me? Once we make a decision, and then we process it. If it is useful for us, we watch that message, and if it is not useful for us, we just skip that media content. We may form attitude based on the authority or expertise of the message source. It is also very important when we talk about the message shared through the media to the one who are sharing the message, the authority that are sharing the message. If it is shared by any government authority or any government personality, it has more value as compared to shared by anyone else.